back to DIY with Dewey. So today we have our Yamaha R6 and here's what's happening. Let me show you real quick. So then you try to start it. This is what it's doing. You hear that weird clicking noise? That means the battery is dead. There's not enough cold cranking amps on the battery to start the motorcycle. So we have a new battery already. I purchased it online. So the size for this Yamaha R6 is YZF-R6, and it's just a 12-volt battery. And it gives you some bolts, nuts. That's the package it comes in. So I keep it on a battery tender when I first get it, just to make sure the battery is fully charged before I use it. The battery is located right under the seat. What you do is you pull this corner up right here, and it exposes 2 bolts. And then you lift it up. I already took it out earlier. So then now you're left with the battery. You see the battery right here, positive side, negative. So we have a little, just a quick disconnect for our battery tender. And I just kind of leave this hooked up like this, so it's easy to charge the battery without removing the seat. So I just tuck that right there. Before removing the battery, what I like to do is grab some electrical tape. So just a piece about 3 or 4 inches, and wrap the battery terminal under it. It doesn't have to be pretty. You're removing this afterwards. Right. So another few inches, 4 inch, 5 inch. And what you want to do is slide it under. Do you see how I slide it under this little connector, the battery terminal, and wrap it like that? So you're making a little channel so the washer, the nut that's underneath, doesn't fall into your motorcycle. So we did it on both sides. We can remove the bolts. So you have this bolt right here. All right, let's go ahead and remove this positive one too. All right, move our battery tender quick disconnect out of the way. So now you're left with these 2 terminals. Lift it up, lift this one up. All right, so now what you'll notice is the nuts are just floating around in there. With this tape, it keeps it from falling into your motorcycle. And then for this strap right here, you just push it down over that hook right there, and then it releases this battery strap. Now we can maneuver the battery out. Looks like this is in the way. So go ahead and pull up this harness out of the way like that. And this one is in the way too. So slide this one. There we go. So we free up some space so we can slide the battery out. You see how it squeezes? It's a pretty tight fit, but it'll squeeze through. There we go. And do you see how we still have the nuts under there? Because of the tape, it keeps it from falling into your motorcycle. All right, so new battery. Go ahead and slide this new battery in. Same way you took out the other one. Okay, tight fit. It might be easier just to disconnect this, but I was able to make it work. All right, take the battery strap, connect it. So you pull this down over that hook. Reattach this block. So it's just rubber that slides onto these little 2 tabs. That, this one, All right, so now we have our positive, negative. What I like to do is do the same trick. Let's reduce the possibility of it dropping. Nut and bolt. All right, so we only need a few inches, like 2 or 3 inches. We're gonna roll this backwards. Place this nut onto the sticky tape. It's just electrical tape. And from here, there. So just place it like that. So it pushes it close to the top. All right, now we take our positive terminal with a screwdriver and there we go. So do you see how it automatically picks up the nut? So once you get this tightened, go ahead and pull out the electrical tape and pull out this electrical tape. There we go. Slide that cover over. Positive terminal's done. Same thing with the negative terminal. That. All right, do you see how I have it set up? So tape under the nut and then tape around right here. Now you put the negative terminal on. Touch the negative terminal and do it in one fluid motion. Don't keep tapping it. Hand tighten that. Make sure the threads are going in correctly. There we go. All right, done. Tightened. Now remove the tape. Remove that tape. And remove this little piece of tape down here. Okay, we're all set. And then reattach the 2 bolts in the back. Let's go ahead and start it. This bike hasn't been started in a while. Let's see if it starts. Give it a little bit of throttle. It hasn't been started in about 6 months. I'm actually surprised it started up so quickly. We'll let the engine warm up before we take it for a ride.